Reason not to make video for your business number 6. I don't have anything to say. Really? Forgive me, but I don't believe you. If you've ever been networking, then you've been into a room full of people and you've sat or stood and spoken to people about what you do and why you do it. Therefore, you have something to say. If you've ever had a conversation with a client, you've had something to say. If you've ever made a sales call, you've had something to say. So, as a business owner, or as a salesperson, or as a marketing person, we all have things to say. We all have valid, interesting things to say that can add value to our audience. And that's key. What you say on video needs to be of value to your audience. So here's a starter for 10. Think about the last question you were asked about one of your products or services, because the answer to that question is great content for video.